Hey folks, it's the Garage Guru, and I've got something that's really gonna make you handy around the house. This is absolutely one of my favorite tools. In fact, it's pretty much my secret weapon for 99% of my repair jobs. It's called Bondic. It's like super glue on steroids, except, well, it's really not a glue at all. It's a liquid welding tool, and it works where other glues fail. The possibilities are endless. Bondic has so many applications, not to mention it's 50 times stronger than glue. Now, 50 times stronger sounds pretty incredible. So I thought, let's cut to the chase. So I made this contraption out of Bondic. Check this out. If it'll do this, it'll take care of any job you need it to. Now that we know that Bondic is strong, let's check its versatility and knock out a couple of my to-dos off my chores list. Hit it, honey! I have no idea how that happened. Cut it off! Let's fix it. Okay, put it inside, then on the outside as it's closing. And if I accidentally get any on my fingers, it's no sticky. Where's that light? 3, 4. Hit it, honey! It worked! Under pressure. How many times do you find yourself in need of cord repair? From phone chargers to power tools, our house always has a frayed cord to fix. This also repairs copper tubing and whatever else you might have, like fishing poles. Bondic is different than anything else on the market, so forget the glue. This is 50 times stronger and doesn't make a sticky mess. It's perfect if you or anyone you know is doing a lot of in-home projects or repairs. Bondic is worth every penny, and Garage Guru approved.